Colorado Congresswoman Lauren Boebert released a video on Twitter explaining why she's going to carry a gun in Washington, D.C.
I walk to my office every morning by myself. So as a 5-foot-tall, 100-pound woman, I choose to protect myself legally because I am my best security.
Boebert represents Colorado's 3rd Congressional District. 21 Democratic members of Congress recently sent a letter to House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and House Minority Leader Kevin McCarthy asking them to ban members of Congress from carrying guns on Capitol grounds. Boebert wrote a letter signed by 83 members and member-elects of Congress calling on the current rules to remain in place. This week, the rules were approved without the gun ban. Katie Johnston covering Colorado First.